Maha Shivratri, the great Night of Shiva, is a significant festival in the Hindu calendar. It falls on the 14th day of the dark fortnight in the month of Falguna, which is around February or March. In 2025, Maha Shivratri will be celebrated on February 26th, extending into the early hours of February 27th. This sacred night marks the convergence of Shiva and Shakti, the masculine and feminine energies of the cosmos. It is believed to be the night when Shiva performs the Tandava, the cosmic dance of creation and destruction. Devotees observe this night with great reverence, seeking Shiva's blessings for spiritual upliftment and liberation. The most auspicious time during Maha Shivratri is the Nishita Kaal. This period falls between midnight and 1 a.m. It is believed that Shiva's energies are most potent during this time. Devotees offer special prayers and perform rituals to seek his blessings. Maha Shivratri is a celebration of the divine. It is a time for introspection, self-reflection, and connecting with the inner self. The festival reminds us of the cyclical nature of life, death, and rebirth. It teaches us to embrace both the light and darkness within us. Maha Shivratri is observed throughout the night, divided into 4 prahars or watches. Each prahar is 3 hours long and holds specific significance for devotees. The first prahar begins at 6:30 p.m. Devotees offer milk, yogurt and honey to the Shiva Lingam, symbolizing purity and sweetness. The second prahar starts at 9:30 p.m. and offerings of clarified butter and sugar are made, representing prosperity and knowledge. The third prahar, beginning at 12:30 a.m., is considered the most auspicious. Devotees offer sandalwood paste and rose water, signifying devotion and surrender. The final prahar commences at 3:30 a.m., and offerings of bhang, a cannabis-infused drink, are made to Shiva, symbolizing his acceptance of all aspects of creation. Each prahar offers a unique opportunity for devotees to connect with Shiva. The chanting of mantras, devotional songs, and meditation continues throughout the night, creating an atmosphere of deep spiritual fervor. On Maha Shivratri, many devotees embark on pilgrimages to sacred Shiva temples. One such pilgrimage is the Panchkroshi Yatra, a 5-stop journey undertaken in Ujjain and Varanasi. In Ujjain, the Panchkroshi Yatra takes place during the month of Vaishakh, which is around April to May, and covers 5 temples dedicated to Shiva. It is believed that by completing this journey, devotees can attain spiritual liberation. In Varanasi, the Panchkroshi Yatra begins at the Manikarnika Ghat on the night of Maha Shivratri. Devotees visit 5 different Shiva temples, covering a distance of approximately 84 kilometers before returning to Manikarnika Ghat. This arduous journey is said to cleanse one of past sins and grant spiritual merit. These pilgrimages are not merely physical journeys, but also spiritual ones. They symbolize the devotee's journey towards enlightenment, overcoming obstacles, and surrendering to the divine will. Section 4. Offerings to the divine. Food plays an integral part in Maha Shivratri rituals. Devotees offer various items to Lord Shiva, each with symbolic meaning. Panchamrit, a mixture of milk, yogurt, honey, sugar and ghee, is offered to represent the 5 elements of nature. Datura, a poisonous fruit, symbolizes the world's negative aspects that Shiva absorbs to protect his devotees. Br, the Indian jujube fruit, represents longevity and prosperity. Milk and water are poured over the Shiva Lingam, symbolizing purification and the cycle of life. Devotees observing a fast consume only specific foods such as fruits, milk and root vegetables. This abstinence is seen as a way to purify the body and mind, fostering a deeper connection with the divine. Section 5. The Significance of Abstinence. Fasting is an essential aspect of Maha Shivratri. Many devotees observe a complete fast, abstaining from food and water. Others may choose to consume only fruits, milk, or specific grains. Fasting is seen as a way to purify the body and mind, detaching oneself from worldly desires. It helps cultivate self-discipline and focus, allowing for deeper introspection and spiritual connection. Staying awake throughout the night is another important practice. Devotees engage in prayers, chanting, and meditation, keeping their minds focused on Shiva. This practice symbolizes staying alert and aware, transcending the limitations of the physical body. By abstaining from physical comforts, devotees surrender to a higher purpose, seeking spiritual enlightenment and union with the divine. This act of self-discipline and devotion is believed to bring them closer to Shiva's grace. Section 6. Celebrations across the land. Maha Shivratri is celebrated with great enthusiasm and devotion across India and among the Hindu diaspora worldwide. Temples are beautifully decorated with lights, flowers, and colorful fabrics. The atmosphere is electric with devotional songs, chants, and the rhythmic ringing of bells. Devotees throng to temples, offering prayers, performing abhishekams, and participating in special pujas. Major Shiva temples like Kashi Vishwanath in Varanasi and Mahakaleshwar in Ujjain witness a massive influx of devotees during Maha Shivratri. Elaborate rituals, processions, and cultural programs are organized, showcasing the rich traditions associated with this festival. Maha Shivratri is not just a religious observance, but also a social event. It brings people together, strengthening community bonds and fostering a sense of unity. The festival transcends cultural and social barriers, uniting people in their devotion to Lord Shiva. Section 7. The Triumph of Light. Maha Shivratri is more than just a festival. It is a profound spiritual experience. It marks the triumph of light over darkness, knowledge over ignorance, and good over evil. The symbolism of Shiva's Tandava, the dance of creation and destruction, reminds us of the cyclical nature of life and the impermanence of the material world. It teaches us to embrace change, let go of attachments, and seek liberation from the cycle of birth and death. Maha Shivratri is a call to awaken our inner potential, to shed our limitations and connect with the divine within. It is a reminder that even in the darkest of times, there is always hope, and the light of Shiva's grace is always present to guide us. As we celebrate this auspicious night, let us immerse ourselves in the divine energy of Shiva and seek his blessings for a life filled with purpose, wisdom, and spiritual fulfillment. May the spirit of Maha Shivratri illuminate our paths and lead us towards the ultimate truth.